everybody. My name is Ian Lebeau. My apologies first of all for this rather rough and ready teaser video. I hope that my actual conference presentation will be a little bit more professional. I'm going to talk a little bit about myself and also about my talk. I've been in ELT for about 40 years now, mainly as a classroom teacher, but also in a variety of other roles as an IELTS examiner, as a coursebook writer, and also as a judge for the British Council IELTS Awards. I currently work for a company called QA in London. QA has partnerships with a number of different universities, and I work mainly with the University of Northumbria at their London campus, Northumbria University based in Newcastle, about as far from London as you can get in England. There I work with international students, teaching them academic English skills. Most of them are master's students or third-year undergraduates. This will actually be the third time I've visited Tesaer, France as a speaker. The last time was 2 years ago, where I spoke about Brexit and British culture. This year, a very different topic. I'm going to be talking about lesson aims. My session is called Lesson Aims, Time for Downgrade. It's a question which I hope we'll be able to discuss together. I also hope that there'll be a good balance between the practical and the theoretical. I'll be looking really at the kind of lesson aims that we produce when we're doing an initial training course, or when we have classroom observations by managers or inspectors. And my main argument is basically that over the last 30 or 40 years, lesson aims have become a means of holding teachers accountable. And this creates a lot of anxiety in teachers. There are many aspects of lesson aims. It's a very complicated area and there are many pitfalls. So that produces a lot of stress for teachers. However, at the same time, research shows that students don't necessarily learn according to the teacher's lesson aims. And good teachers, experienced teachers, often deviate from the lesson aims. Learning is a very unpredictable thing. So what I'm going to suggest basically is that lesson aims should be just another element in the mix, and downgrading them could release teachers from that sort of feeling of stress that they produce and allow them to teach more freely. So that's my talk, Lesson Aims, Time for Downgrade. I hope you'll join me at the conference. I look forward to meeting you. Thank you very much indeed.